up, y'all? This is Road Travel Space and I am in Seoul, South Korea, and I wanted to show you guys what this country is all about. This is my first time here. I'm only here for 2 days, but I'm going to explore as much as I can to show you guys what to expect. So if you're ever interested in coming here, you're going to see it now for my video. Let's go ahead and get into it. So before we start with the adventures of South Korea, let's start with the beginning, like how to arrive here, the arrival cars, the luggage, where to stay, transportation, and everything in between. Let's go ahead and get into it. So we got to start with the food here in South Korea, which is a ton of street food everywhere. But if you don't like Korean street food, they do have international restaurants like KFC, McDonald's, all that other type of good stuff that you are used to in the States. And the food is a little bit spicy, but not too much spicy. You just got to make sure. Let them know you don't want your food to be spicy before you order it. Some of the spots are open 24 hours. I came across a lot of restaurants like this one. If you look at this menu right here, you can pause and see the prices. They are affordable, not bad. The nightlife here is very lively. You will see tons of people on the street. This part of South Korea won't disappoint you. South Korea is super clean. I love the neon lights everywhere. It's similar to Japan nightlife. And if you want to see nightlife in Tokyo, click this link right here. For the safety at night, I feel very safe. Once again, I am outside after 3 a.m. So you pretty much can explore all the areas in South Korea with no worries. Trust me when I say that. There's a lot of trendy clothing here. And once again, I think they are affordable. You can do a lot of shopping here and find some really cool things. One of the popular areas is called Myeongdong, which is where I stayed at, and we'll talk about my hotel really soon. But this is the place to be for you guys. Yeah. When you finally do land in South Korea, they are going to make you fill a arrival card through the immigration. But I got here early, so it was pretty clear. But still, this took a little bit of time before I can explore Korea. All right, guys, so I made it to South Korea, Incheon. We're going to Seoul. And just got out of the immigration. The baggage claim, which is down here, number 16. So I'm jet lagged because my flight was very early at 4 a.m. But still excited to be here. Okay, so now I got my luggage. I need to first exchange some currencies from Vietnamese dong to Korea won. So we're on a hunt to find some currency exchange. The exchange center is right here. All right, guys, so we're going to exchange this Vietnamese dong to Korea won. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so I finally got some currency, Korean won here. And I stopped by and get some Subway. Also guys, if you're here in South Korea, make sure you get a SIM card for your phone. The data is unlimited and it's cheaper probably than your home country plan. So this is the SIM cards right here. eSIMs. You can get them right here. They also have some nice restaurants too. I'm here early in the morning. 7 a.m. So everything is open early in the morning. SIM card. Now we're going to the hotel, and the best way to get to the hotel, which I was told by the assistant, is the subway train from the airport. She told me it's rush hour, so the best way to get there is by subway and take the express. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the express and we're gonna see how it goes. All right, let's go. Yeah. All right, guys, so this is the hotel I stayed at. Awa Hotel in Myeongdong, South Korea, Seoul. I arrived pretty early, so it's super quiet. All right, guys, so this is the room. So it looks like room 205, that's me. Hey y'all, so I just finally checked in my room and I want you guys to check this out. So I'm not sure if this is standard room size when you're in South Korea or if this is just my particular hotel. But I was super amazed how small it was. Even smaller than the room in Japan, Tokyo, Japan. But one thing I am impressed about is the minimalistic design of the room. So look, check this out. Especially in the bathroom, you got your vanity right there. Hold on, let me finish. All right, so check this out, guys. You got your sink right there, attached with the shower right there. And then you have your toilet and all that good stuff all within reach. Bed, TV, mini bar, AC, emergency flashlight, the fire escape charts. So this is the hotel I'm staying in, Inwa Hotel in Myeongdong. So I finally got in. I landed in South Korea at 7 a.m. My check-in wasn't until 3 p.m. It was raining, pouring raining, so I couldn't explore like I wanted to. And on top of that, my phone was dying. So what I did was I just went to find something quick bite to eat, get some fuel, and it was at Subway. And then after that, I tried to go to see the movies Demon Slayer, but it was all in Korean, so I wouldn't understand. But I just, I was like, okay, I just try to kill some time. So what I did after that was just went to the bowling alley, bowled like 3 games. After that, I explored a little bit. It started raining again, and I had to make my way back to the hotel. All right, so this is it. I'm gonna check in, settle in. We are going to explore the South Korea nightlife, so stay tuned for that. All right, I'll see you guys later.
I cannot believe my eyes, little baby. You're so fly, you're so hot. Love the way I touch your soul inside. Caught a vibe. Try and get a piece of that apple pie. Come on down, I want you down inside. I am ready, capable. This ain't no fairy tale, this ain't no film to open up my